Okay, here we're subtracting the decimal 4 minus 0.0029. We have Richard online. Richard, can you tell me how to start this?
Yeah, the same way as we did the last one. You start by lining up the decimals. And since 4 is a whole number, I'm putting 4.0000, and then I'm putting the 0.0029 below it.
Very good. So we line up the decimals again. So here we have a decimal, so this will become 0029, and here we need a couple of more zeros here, like Richard suggested. So there we are going to subtract. Okay, let me ask Richard again. What would be a next step?
Now, since you can't minus 9 from 0, you have to borrow. So, and since they're all zeros, you have to go all the way over to the 4. So you borrow from the 4, turn it into a 3. Well, yeah, kind of. And then the next 0 becomes a 10, but you have to borrow from that, and it becomes a 9, and so on and so on and so on, until the last one becomes a 10, and then you can start your subtraction.
Very good, exactly. We have to keep borrowing, like you said. So what would be the answer here?
The answer is 3.9971.
Very good. So you subtract 9 from 10, that would be 1. You subtract 2 from 9, that would give you 7. And then 0 from 9, that would be 9. Subtract 0 from 9, that would be 9. And 0 from 3, that would be 3. A good test to see if you did this correctly is if I add this number, this result here, to 0.0029. If I add these two numbers, it should add up to 4. That would be a good test if you've done it correctly. And that should be easy. 9 plus 1, that would be 10. So we have 0 here. 7 plus 2 would be 9, plus 1 would be 10 again. That would be 0. 9 plus 1 would be 10, so that would be 0. 9 plus 1 would be 10, that would be 0. 3 plus 1 would be 4. So you see it checks out. Okay.